Good evening, guys. Here is the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty and some swing calls today. So we see a good fall today in Bank Nifty, a very big candle in the start, the Mariposa candle, and it breaks the weekly support and also breaks a good pivot point over here and then falls. But it takes support over here. Now, this support you need to examine very carefully. So if I go in the day chart, if you see this old resistance has become the support. So that means we will have good amount of volumes coming here. Twice it has taken support. So if this breaks, then yes, there is a good fall. But I don't think so. A big fall is still coming. So I'm expecting a good rise. The reason is when a testing is done at a level twice, that means it's made a good W shape. If you see over here, then we can expect a good rise tomorrow. Else it will go down. So this is a very critical level to notice. Now, one more announcement before I go to Nifty is that this Google Sheet is being saved in my description. So you can always check over here in case the video doesn't come. Date wise, I always mention the support resistance for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the swing calls. So this gets updated in the evening. So in case the call comes a little late on the YouTube channel, you can still refer this. Let's go and see Nifty now. Now, if you observe Nifty, I'll remove all these drawings. Similar position was being tried, but over here, if you see, the support has been taken here. Same W shape is being tried over here. Okay, so again, if this level is broken, it will fall further below and we can expect a support here and even here. But I don't see that happening because there's not really a big bad news for it to fall. So correction was expected and it has done that. So this level is what we need to watch out, which is 17,800 or 700. To be precise, it is 17,796. So this should not break where it is constantly taking support. Now, if I see in a hourly chart and I put my indicators over here, then it has broken the monthly pivot and it is below the weekly pivot also. So we can clearly see that there is resistance over here on the top at 18,100. I don't think so. At expiry also it will go beyond this because we have only 2 days to cover, and even if it goes up, it has to cover this. So this is the first range that it has to cover. And if it covers, then the second range will be up to the monthly pivot. So if an upscale comes with a very good bull rally, then we are expecting till expiry around 400 points in Nifty. So that's the Nifty and Bank Nifty for you. Let's go and see commodity. What is gold doing? It is still in the channel and continuously going on. It is respecting the resistance, but they may try again. If Nifty or Bank Nifty falls again, then this might rise as a hedging option. But I don't see that happening. There is a proper candle being made for coming down, and they're trying to pin bar today. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. Silver is respecting it very well. It's falling down, but they have a support over here. So 67,500 looks to be a good support. The reason is there was an old resistance here. So if you see these points, they are trying to make silver a support area in this line, which is 67,500. fine. If you now observe currency, we can see the resistance was respected and it's still coming down. The RSI is 32 and I'm expecting support at 81. If not, then 80 will be a good support in USD INR. Now let's look at the swing calls. I have given 𝘀𝗋𝗋 and let's currently see that. So now if you see over here carefully with volume, there is a good big candle being made. There's not very big volume, but yes, it is above the 20 SMA line of volume. The trend has been broken very nicely. Okay, and it's going up. RSI is not at all a worry. So let's take the next week RSI. And it's above 50 and this week is 67. So yeah, a good move can come here up to at least 34 rupees. That will be the first resistance. Otherwise, it's gonna roll up and down like this. Okay. So that's the first swing call. The Tata Motors also has made a very big move, and after Jeffrey giving a positive note to the entire automobile sector, I see a rise coming in all the automobile shares. Now, if you see over here, some days ago, I had given a special recommendation in which I had mentioned about Maruti Eicher Motors and also Mahindra and Mahindra somewhere. I can't remember. It was mentioned, I think, somewhere. Anyways, so Tata Motors has made a good uh, gap up after retesting the zone with a good volume. So if this goes and break the trend above 490, you can buy up to 69. So that will be 493. So that's a good resistance. Then we have Vinati Organics. Now, if we notice here in Vinati, it's above the monthly and weekly pivot. It's an expensive share, but I see a good ATR over here, which is 43 in a day. MACD is going to give a buy very soon. Over here also, it's up move. So definitely a good swing call. Max Financial has come after a long time. So let's see the story. Again, a big candle above weekly and monthly. MACD buy, RSI is good in check. Now, if I remove this and just do simple price action over here, then it's broken. Good amount of volume is there, 2.42 million, and a good size candle. So definitely a swing. We can look up to at least 78 rupees over here as a first resistance. The next one is Saint. And over here, we see a good breakout. And if you notice this share very carefully, if this range is broken, then there is a very big move coming, very big, around 388. So around 43%. So keep eyes on this one. It's breaking after a long time. Yeah. And if I see the weekly one also, this one is a resistant. It has to break. So if 889 or 890 is broken, definitely increase your volume of shares, quantity of shares. This is going to go up. In case you want to know more about this company or any organization for that matter, let me give you a value add tip. When you open the company over here below, you will always see the information. Just drag it up and you can read a lot over here. Okay, you can tell about volume, earnings, dividends, income statement, performance, technicals over here, analyst, what are they saying? What is this organization and what is the website also? So that gives you a lot of information as to what it is really doing. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Do like and share if you enjoy the content, and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.